Exercise 11. Practical problem solving. Write the numbers. How fast can you figure out the answers? Try to write the answers before you hear them.
Number 1. How much is 23 plus 47? How much is 23 plus 47? The answer is 70.
Number 2. How much is 62 plus 17? How much is 62 plus 17? The answer is 79.
Number 3. How much is 281 plus 54? How much is 281 plus 54? The answer is 335.
Number 4. How much is 512 plus 33? How much is 512 plus 33? The answer is 545.
Number 5. How much is 24 times 5? How much is 24 times 5? The answer is 120.
Number 6. How much is 70 times 4? How much is 70 times 4? The answer is 280.
Number 7. What is 28 divided by 7? What is 28 divided by 7? The answer is 4.
Number 8. What is 6 goes into 54? What is 6 goes into 54? The answer is 9. Now listen to 4 conversations in a department store. Figure out the totals before you hear them. Write down the prices.
Number 9.
How much are these CDs?
They are $20.50 each.
$20.50 each? Okay, I'll take these 4.
Okay. 4 CDs at $20.50. That comes to 82 pounds.
Number 10.
How much is this dress?
The red one?
Yeah.
It's $15.49.
$15.49. Okay, I'll take 10.
Okay, 10 dresses at $15.49. That comes to 154 pounds 90 pence.
Number 11.
May I help you?
Yeah, I'd like these.
Okay, 2 ties, 36. 1 shirt, 50.74. A cap is 10 pounds 99. The total is 97 pounds and 73. Number 12.
Hi, good morning, Mr. Smith.
Good morning.
Okay, let me see what you have in your basket. 1 sweater, that's $160. The coat is $80.89, and 2 shirts are $90.24. The total is £331 13 pence.